If you are struggling to stay motivated, if you are doubting your dreams, or if you are feeling like giving up, this video is for you. Today, I celebrate a major milestone: 10 years of grinding and finally getting monetized on YouTube. Get ready to be inspired. When you search YouTube, type in the name Vibe with Peter. You want to get a lot of information about this channel. Type in Vibe with Peter, and then the next thing is that you wait for it to load. You can see, you type on that Vibe with Peter, it will take you straight to my channel. Now I want to show you the information about my channel. More information, you click more. You can see here, this is my description for my channel. One of the things I just want to show you is the date I started this channel. Can you see it? So let's watch and see the actual date. So this channel began on March. Can you see it? March. So the channel began in March 2015. As you can see, this channel has gained 1.4k followers. And another thing you should note is this: immediately you get monetized, you will start losing your watch hours, the already accumulated watch hours. The channel is resetting, and if you check the end section, you will see this: you are a YouTube partner. So can you see it? So it shows that I'm already monetized. Alright, so these are the things you see to know that you are already monetized after you've taken the necessary steps you ought to. Now let me show you the news I got. Let me burst the bubble. How did it happen and when did it happen? Now let's go there. I opened my mail on one fateful day, and then I saw this message. It said, "Vibe with Peter, congrats. You can now apply to the YouTube Partner Program." Wow. I was so excited, elated. I was like, wow, dream finally come true. This was a message YouTube sent to me. Say your channel is on the rise. You can now apply to the YouTube Partner Program. And then I saw an option that says start your application. In other words, I can even start now. Ew. This is a great news. And then I read through the other part of the message just to really understand properly. So one thing you need to know as a new creator is this: read through everything, hook, line, and sinker. Understand? They say if you want to give a black man a treasure, put it in a book. We don't like reading. It's very, very good that you read. So it's one of those things that is really helping the whites and making them stand as though we have blacks also standing out. But the readers of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Always learn to read through documentations, everything, so that if you have a proper understanding, everything that you need is in this write-up. Are you getting it? You can just follow the steps. As you can see it, they gave me the steps, what to do. I saw everything, and then they gave the order: start your application. Then I had to go to my YouTube studio. For my YouTube studio, I began the application process. Alright, let me take you there now. Immediately you click your apply button to redirect you to your YouTube studio or your Chrome, and then you accept the base terms, the terms and conditions. Read through everything, hook, line, and sinker. When you are applying for YouTube monetization, always learn to read everything for you to properly understand what you are doing or what you are going into. So the next thing is to accept. Once you accept, it will take you to this. So because we have basically 3 steps: review base terms. The next thing is to create an access account, and the next thing after creating an access account is to get reviewed. So I have already reviewed the terms and conditions, and right now I'm ready to create an AdSense account. So AdSense account is from there you can be fixing your advert into the video. and doing so many other things, like at least seeing your revenue that you are generating per week, per day, per month, per year. You understand? All right. So fix ads in your shorts, fix ads in your long form video. So it is from the AdSense account, and all you need to create your AdSense account is your email. That is your email you use in opening that YouTube channel. And also another thing I want to tell new YouTubers is this: don't disclose that email that you use in creating your YouTube. Because we have hackers. So because immediately they hack into your YouTube channel, it's gone, all your hard work and everything. So while you are either rendering a service or selling a product, never put your original email you use in creating your YouTube channel. Create another email for consultancy in case anybody wants to reach you or partner with you or do any form of business with you. It is very, very important that you create another email. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create an AdSense account. So I'm going to be giving you the full tutorial from start to finish. If you happen to be on this channel right now, you are very, very lucky and you are watching this, because while I was doing my monetization, I took all the screen records, all the screenshots, because I want to also use it as a means to assist those who may want to do their own monetization too, either now or later. So I want you to stay tuned to this channel. Like, comment, share my videos. Just check out my other videos. And I'm already monetized. Please watch my videos. So that I will start generating little things for myself. At least we'll be okay. Do you get it? All right. So please, I will really appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you so much. So like I told you, in my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create an AdSense account. What to do for creating an AdSense account, everything that you need to know about creating an AdSense account, and how to get reviewed very, very fast. Are you getting it? All right. So because every of my journey here on YouTube is just slow and it's just very, very, very fast. As I'm clicking approval, accepting everything, because I'm following all YouTube monetization policies. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope this story I've shared really, really inspired you. If you did, I would like you to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Just let me know one of the things you learned from this my video, and how you hope to also apply these things on your own YouTube channel. All right, YouTube is the business of the day. YouTube is the trending thing. If you are not doing YouTube, if you've not started YouTube, man, I tell you, you are still missing out on a lot of things. So please go create your channel today, and it just begins with a step. This is just a story of me. Beginning my channel in 2015 and getting monetized in 2025. That's after 10 years. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share. Subscribe to this channel. God bless you. See you in my next post.